Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I have been wanting to cast something out of bronze for a while now, which is an alloy of copper and tin, and I stumbled on this 2,800-year-old historic spearhead. I thought it looked awesome. I searched to see if anybody had designed a 3D model of it, and they have not. So I jumped into Fusion 360 and got to work. Now, I'll be honest with you, I am not a great modeler. I get by barely. As long as it's got right angles, I can usually model it, but this has a lot more than right angles, and so it took me a couple days, but I did finally get something that I was happy with. I chopped the model up into 4 pieces so it would fit on my print bed, and printed it in this nylon filament, which was the only filament I had on hand at the time. If you guys are interested in printing this yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can download it and print it. Now that I had the model figured out, I just needed the metal. I ordered some tin online, but we needed some copper. I had this old broken alternator sitting around for a while that I had planned on taking the copper from anyways. So, let's get started. Well guys, we're far from done, but this is all I can do this week. So this is going to be a two-part video. Next week we'll finish up the detailing on the spearhead and start the shaft. Altogether, I think came out really, really great. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see the rest of this series. And as always, thanks for watching.